Hello everybody, good afternoon. This is Brenda. Just want to do a quick little tutorial for you guys, but let you know I've been off a few days, basically the weekend. Friday, we had to take my husband to the ER with heart trouble, and we spent all day Friday in the ER. Saturday, they wanted to keep him, but we decided to come home because if they kept him on Friday, he wouldn't be able to get out until Monday, because they don't, let you go over the weekend. So anyway, long story short, he's home. He's doing better today. He has a cardiologist appointment tomorrow. And I have been stressed to the max, so I haven't been able to do any videos. So I just wanted to pop on today, do a quick video, say hi, and that's where I am at this point. So what I'm trying to do, and I am not good at doing these at all. I don't know, I have spatial problems or something, I don't know. But anyway, I made 2 of these, and my thought to, these are just, I have a tray of the cutouts. I have some tickets and stuff that I might use. I have, well, what I want to do is, let's build one together, okay? Let's use this for the background. And mine always come out so big. So if they're this big, I might use them as tucks on the pages. And, we'll build one together, and then I wanted to decorate a couple just to see what it may look like. So let's see, we have the map here, piece of map. And I usually just, I pick some sort of colors that I think will go okay in the mess that I have in front of me. I don't know if I like that. I mean, it looks okay. I might want something a little... I find if I have a lot of colors in front of me, it's very hard to pick out what I want to do. So I don't like that this is straight together. So I'll come up a little bit with this one. And then maybe put this one in the middle. Could go this way. No, I like it better this way. And then maybe find something else that would go with it, which maybe I will put, I like this color, so maybe I will put this between, like so, and come down a little more. Like I said, I am not good at doing this. Okay, I like that. So, if you're a little skeptical about doing this, just play around and just go by what you like. For some people I know, like me, it can be very difficult. So I do like that. And then maybe a long one in the middle, like so. And I'm going to staple this right there. And it's also very monotonous on my thing going on here, but I like that. Maybe come over just a little bit more. Give that a staple with my Tim Holtz, that's what I was trying, mini stapler, my Tim Holtz. So see, even that one's coming out pretty big. So these would definitely probably be tucks. And then, so we have 3 here to decorate. Then my thought was, maybe a little background. So maybe some lace going on, maybe this way. on here, and maybe some, phew, guys, it is so hot in here. And maybe some of this, I don't know. Maybe some of this on this one. And I'm doing this basically to cover up the staple. I like to have something over my staple. And then over here, maybe, no, I don't think that one will go. I was thinking maybe some of this would be all right. Oh yeah, I like that. I'm all on camera. Okay, so this would be my next layer. So I'm going to glue these down because they are fabric. I'm using my Fabri-Tac. So, whew, add a little bit of glue. I hope you guys are all doing well. Staying healthy, and also on top of everything else, this has been the birthday month. Everybody's birthday in my family is in July. So we have been running and buying. I'm going to put this glue this time on here. And I think I'll put that this way. Liking that. And then we have Alora today, and it was supposed to be her daddy's day off because it's his birthday today. So it's happy birthday, Daddy, today, but he got called into work. So our plans for today are taking a little bit of a detour. Plus, I don't trust my hubby doing too much of anything. So he was just chilling, I hope, while I'm up here in my craft room. And Alora, she's fine. She's a good girl. Easy to watch. Okay, so now what I thought is to use up some of my little birds on these pretty little on these pretty little tags that I think I like maybe that one there, but I need to cut out some of that. Oh, I think I would like this one here. What do you think? I like that. The colors is what I'm trying to go by. And then we have maybe this one to go here. Like so. And this was my plan, and I think I like it. Using some pretty birds. You think this one that might blend in a little bit. So, oh, I love this one too. Here I go. I think I like him on there. And this one may blend in a little bit, so I think I might change him to, let's see if I can, let's see, it's got some, it's pretty blue-green is what I like, and maybe this one. Let's try this one. Oh, I like him. He doesn't blend in that much. So I think I like these birds with what I got going on here. So usually, okay, what I do is, well, not usually, because I don't make these very often because I really am skeptical about making them, but usually what I'll do is just use the, just leave the clusters blank until I start working on a theme, and then I will add the theme that I want to add. I'm just going to put him a little bit sideways like that. Okay, I like that. And then this one here. So I just chose today, for today's, I just chose the birds. You could use butterflies, flowers, a mixture of both would be even better, to use some birds, flowers, and butterflies. That would really be fun. So whatever you decide to use, there, I like him. And one more here. And thank you guys for hanging in with me. It's been a difficult few weeks, and you guys are awesome. Commenting and subscribing, and I really, really appreciate. And I also wanted to let you know, anyone that has daubers out that are being made by my hubby, he or I, probably me, will keep you informed. Like if they can't be done, or they're going to be a little late, or you know, anything like that, we will definitely try to keep you up to date. I feel very good that he's going to see his cardiologist tomorrow morning, so I'm hoping we can get an answer, because the emergency room really didn't know what was going on. So yeah, they let us come home Friday night if we promised to head right to the ER closer to home, because we were an hour away at the place that they wanted him to stay, and I wanted to be closer to home, so we promised if anything happened, we would head straight to the emergency room straight here at home, right here close to home. So she was very good. The doctor was very nice and very good where we were. I just had a little bit of a time figuring out, you know, what was going on. So, okay. So I like these. I mean, like I said, not too great at doing this, but one staple pretty much, that's the back, pretty much holds it together, and then you glue on your little things in the middle. Gosh, sorry, I can't think. So yeah, I kind of like this size right here too. I know the other ones are quite a bit bigger, and this is a likable size for me. So however you can put them together. I mean, we could even make, I hope we could even make like a smaller one, and I might try that real quick. So do that there, and maybe, do I have any smaller tickets? Maybe, I don't know if I like that one. Maybe a green ticket. Is that a, nope, that's right. And maybe a thin, long one. I even like this. Right, maybe right there. Oh, I like those colors. And this is way smaller. I think I'll go up a little bit like this. Bring that in. I don't know, I just just have a time with these. Bring that down just a little, out just a little. I am going to do this one just like that. And hope I catch everything. I did. There you go. I'm just going to trim this off just a little bit. To me, it's a little long, so I'm going to just trim that right along that line. And there you go. There's a, you know, I might be getting the hang of it. So if we have this one, and maybe a little, what am I thinking about? Maybe a little flower on this one. If I have a little flower in here. These might be all, you know, kind of big for flowers. That one's pretty. I kind of like that one. Just seeing if I have any other options. These are all quite big flowers. I probably should just try to find some smaller ones. Now this one's probably the right size, but that doesn't look bad. I just think the blue was the wrong color. Let me bring these out here. So yeah, I think the more you do these, maybe the more talented you can get at making them. I don't know, I just don't seem to have the right color that pleases me on these. No. I know. Maybe a butterfly would be easier because it is so tiny. So let's see what we have in here first. Now those are too pink. My book's falling apart here. That one's kind of pretty. Oh, I even have some smaller birds in here. I didn't know that. These are probably way too small though. Hummingbird. Okay, I'll fix this later. I don't want to. Let me try a butterfly and then, oh, sorry. Oh, that's me. That's my bones. Okay. Let's see what we have. Oh, look at these pretty green ones. Look at this one. Oh, I like him. He is pretty. I think that's it. See, that's what happens when you, I'll just do the white. Just brown the white down a little bit. Usually I cut around, but I won't do it this time. Sometimes it looks just as well distressed. Gosh, I have a time with these. Well, let me see if I want some fabric down. I think I always like this kind of stuff better. Yep, I do. Okay, let me get this down real quick. I love this one. I didn't think you could do them smaller like this and then, you know, love it. Let's get this down. Yeah, I'm loving that. Okay, let me try to get this off and then we will I know these are supposed to be stickers. And no matter how I flip them or try to separate it, it's just so stubborn is the word. Okay, I did get it. So I want him to go just a little bit like this. Oh, I love that one. Look at that. Very pleased with this one. So I may just have to practice more on these things. So there you go. We've got 3 birds and a butterfly, and I absolutely love them. So this is what I wanted to do today, just real quick to show you. That was a thought that I had, and then I wanted to implement it, and I did, and I thank you all so much for stopping by, and I will keep you informed. So you guys, let's see, this will, I'll put this one right up if I can. So yes, I need to go now, and I pray and that you guys have a safe, healthy, blessed week. And any questions about these or anything, give me a comment, and I try to get back to my comments as soon as possible. So you guys, you've been great. Thank you all so much, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody.